Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.